Hi Francis, I have completed the HTML coding of the template and I made the template more flexible. I am uploading the template here and I am showing you how you can use this template. I have just uploaded it, creating campaign. I am editing. Here you can see only the first block of the template. So you can add the next block that you want to add here, and the next blocks are here. So you can add any one of the blocks from here, but I am adding them sequentially. Here you can add the body color, background color of the body, whatever you want. Also you can change the body color here. Also this color and this color also. We'll get the flexibility to change the font size from here. You can change the color also, and once you change all the font will for the title, if you, this is for the title, and all the title will change effect. This is for subtitles, this is subtitle, this one, and this is for the paragraph. So you can easily change the font size, color here, and of course you will get the option to change from this section. So I think you will find the template more flexible. So if you need anything else, please let me know. Thank you.